All right, guys, so it is time for another battle. That's right. Let me show you what we're doing. And why am I putting it together in my living room is because it looks sunny outside, but it's still 31 degrees. So as you can see, they're Kettle grills. First one we're doing is the Sam's Club version, and that is the Members Mark Kettle Grill. And it's going up against the #1 brand Weber for kettle grills. Should be awesome. We're gonna just do some hamburgers and hot dogs, but I'm gonna show you all the features and the difference between one and the other and the price difference and all that good stuff. You guys ready? Let's do this. There it is, guys, all laid out. My instruction manual is right there. And only one thing was damaged. Let's go over here and show you. That leg right there got dented. I'm still gonna put the whole thing together and show you, but I'll probably get a leg replacement as soon as I call them and tell them. Okay, so here's the Weber one. I'm noticing a few things. That's already attached. The little bending slide's already attached. And there's two things that came with this. It looks like a little cooling rack right there. And then over here, this is to do offset cooking. So it goes on the sides of your grill. That's pretty cool too. Okay, so I put the grill together and I found this piece. I'm like, where does this piece go? This piece broke off. It was supposed to be right there as a handle. So this came broken, and it came broken inside the box. I just pulled it out like this when I was unpacking. So this also has damage, but we can move that back there for right now and deal with it later. I mean, by looking at them, can you tell which one's, just offhand, which one's Weber and which one is the Members Mark? Okay, so when you open up the Members Mark one, you'll see there's a hook right there. And all you do is just hook it right on the back. Right there. And there it is. So that's what it looks like. It just hangs on the edge. Kind of a funky design. They got this wire back there, and you're supposed to kind of tip it like that. There we go. So the wire holds that one, and the hook, I kind of like it up higher. I'm confused. I kind of like it up higher on the grill when I'm cooking. This seems kind of low, but it shouldn't disrupt the food in any way. All right, let's look at the base. This has 3 legs, and I'm gonna tell you right now, you can't feel it, but it's a flimsy design. That thing is very, like, whoa, it couldn't handle any weight. You have a much better base right here. You have 4 legs, they're sturdier. Even with the damaged leg, it's holding up pretty good. Let me see. See? This one, it just doesn't hold. I don't know, it's just wobbly. That kind of bothers me, wobbly. I see this one's wobbly. Not at all. Whoop, I'm moving the camera, sorry. There. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to take the ashes out. It's kind of, you do a little pinch the handle thing and kind of, it is really hard to get this off. Probably because it's brand new. As you see, it hangs right here. And there's another one on the other side, right there. See it? So I have to squeeze this handle. I can't even do it with one hand. Okay, sorry, I had to use 2 hands to get it out. All right, let's see if I can one-handed put this in. You hook it on that side first. You can't see both sides. So it's kind of like this game of get it in there. It's a horrible design. All right, that one's in. I'll put that one in. There. So they're in. Oh. Now they're in. All right, they're both in. Now watch. You have to squeeze this and pull up. Ugh. All right. It's built real sturdy. This is very sturdy base. This is very sturdy, locked in. But man, that is just so awkward getting out to dump your ashes. This base has a nice handle. Look at that handle. And it's got 3 of these hook things. So I've got to try and get get up and see. This one, the handle hooks in too, right here. So you're gonna lift and twist. Let's see, let's move that out of the way. There. All right, so the handle's got a hook in too. So you're gonna lift this and gently twist. Lift the whole thing. It's still kind of caught up in the back there, but there you go. One-handed, let's see if I can put it back in one-handed. I usually do one at a time, kind of. There we go, they all go up. Oh, wow. One-handed, nice. Wheels are wheels to me. No big difference in wheels. That's the Weber, and that is the Member's Mark. Bottom grate sturdier than this bottom grate. This is really flimsy. I don't want to pull on it too hard, but I couldn't put anything with weight down here. I don't even know what I put down here. Maybe my light, my electric starter or something, as long as I got a cover for it. The Weber has the basic grill. It is not cast iron, and this has a cast iron grill, and trust me, that is a heavy duty cast iron. That's going to clean up great. Some of the other features the Weber has, it comes with a cooling rack, which is weird because the cooling rack, it doesn't really fit anywhere. Unless, I don't know how to put it. I'm not even sure. Let's try this side. No, I'm not sure. It just doesn't, it's like it doesn't fit. It just sits by itself. Not a big fan of the cooling rack. I am a big fan of this though. The center comes open so you can drop more coals. It also comes with these containers that go on the side that keep your coals to the side, so you're not doing direct heat cooking but offset. Weber, Member's Mark from Sam's Club. One more thing I forgot to show you inside. This is the venting for Weber. Just a thin piece of metal. Slides. Works great. But when you're looking at like quality, this has a real venting system. Real dial. Heavier metal work. Not sure that really matters, but I just want to show you the difference. This is a sharp edge, guys. This is a little, this is, you can cut your finger on this. It's not smooth, so be real careful on if you get the Member's Mark one. And then you come over here, Weber's got a better edge. It's smoothed out. But either way, whichever one, this piece here is to protect your fingers from the heat coming up. It's like a heat deflector. Yeah, I didn't know that. So Weber's got a better design with regards to the heat deflector. They both have one. This could be a lot smoother. I could literally run my finger across there and cut the finger. The Weber is $199. This is going for $99.98 at Sam's Club. Big difference, $100 difference. All right, guys, the fires are coming along nicely. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes till it all becomes like white, grayish hot. Over here, I've got Nathan's hot dogs, and I got a bunch of hamburger patties. I even got these three, 1, 2, 3, are grass-fed beef. So we're gonna try that out in just a moment. Okay, got half my burgers on the Sam's Club Member's Mark, and I got half my burgers on the Weber. Let's get them covered now. On the Weber, I'm looking at almost 300 degrees right now, climbing fast, and I've got the vent partially cracked. This one's smoking a lot of smoke's coming out of this one. I got that partially cracked on the Member's Mark, and we're approaching 300. I closed this one up second, so I expect it to be a little behind the other. I just want to take a quick peek and show you guys what it's looking like. We're about 350 degrees right now. Everything's cooking pretty good right under there. Let's take a peek at the Weber real quick, see how that's doing. They're cooking too, not quite as fast. I'm just gonna hop in there and check the burgers and move the dogs. So here we go. Get the dogs. Rotate a little bit. Looking pretty good on one side, see that? Both grills are at 300, but this one's smoking like crazy. And this one's not smoking a lot. Smoking good though. So I don't know if that means anything. Okay, I've already flipped the burgers about 7 minutes ago on the other one. Let's see if these are ready. Oh no. Yeah, oh yeah. They're cooking just like the other grill. All right, so here's what I noticed. When I opened this and I flipped the burgers and moved the hot dogs, I put the lid back on and went back to 299, 300. It's been holding there ever since. The Weber has been giving me issues. I can't get it over 200. I lift the lid up, I flip the burgers, move the hot dogs, put it back down exactly the way the vents were, and I can't get it past 210 right now. So I'm not sure what to do. I can't get that heat up. I've been opening the vents up, trying to get some airflow, and nothing's bringing that temperature up. These burgers are done. Whoops. There you go. Nice. I'm a little embarrassed to say it, but this ain't getting up past 200, and I can't be out here all day. It's going to start snowing soon. So I'm going to have to move this over to here. Kind of embarrassing. All right, so we're going to break that open and show you inside. Looks perfect. All the burgers cooked well on both grills. They all look like that. Nice exterior. All right, here's a final shot of one of the hot dogs burning in my hand. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Mmm. Mmm, so good. So there you go. You've seen the pros and the cons for each device. Here's a graphic showing you the cost of each one and what it would take to upgrade so that it would be the best. It would have all the accessories and all that. You know, it's your call. Me personally, the Members Mark is easier to work with. The temperature stayed. I lifted it. I dealt with my meat. I put it back down, and it went right back to temperature. This one never got back to 300. I worked with the vents. I couldn't get it going. It was just a mess. I definitely recommend that one, but you guys, you make the call after watching this video, okay? Go into Sam's Club, and it's not online yet. It might be online once this video goes up, but give them a call, make sure they got it in stock. They're going fast. I'll talk to you guys later. And by the way, Sam's Club doesn't even know I'm doing this video until it goes up live. They have no idea that I've done this comparison. I'm not being paid, so just thought I'd let you know what I think. Take care. Bye-bye.